This is SP Traffic, West Garu speaking. So we have made elaborate arrangements regarding the traffic arrangements in respect to Megam Festival 2025. As you have seen in the screen, vehicles coming from Tura side will proceed ahead towards gate number 1 and will park the vehicle on the western side. Gate number 2 is meant for vehicles coming from Assam, North Garu Hills and Shillong. And they will use gate number 2 and they will park on the northern side. There is also one entry for two-wheelers, which is that is called BSF entry. So they'll go a little bit ahead. They are parking for 2 parking spaces for two-wheelers. There is a gate number 3 from where we will impose that no entry. Means bike parking areas, they cannot proceed ahead towards gate number 3 and beyond. Vehicles coming from Janjal side towards William Nagar. So we have identified 3 places. That is, one place is Janjal Government UP School. Another one is Ripok Do Kachi School. And parking number 6, that is Bolbokri LP School. Now we come to parking number 7. Parking number 7 is meant for VIP vehicles. Parking number 8 is also meant for VIP vehicles, that is MECL land. Parking 9 and 10 is meant for MIP, the most important persons. Then we come to parking number 11. There are 3 plot of lands. One is Logo School, one is Amon Singh and this Singh's land. Another VIP parking place has been identified. VIP parking number 2, that is Tion's land. Now coming to this William Nagar side. People intending to come from William Nagar towards for Megam Festival will take the Samanda Janjal Road and they will park their vehicles in parking number 14, which is Waga Asim Playground. So if that is full, again there is a parking place, parking number 13, which is Adingri Providence School. In case the traffic, the parking lots are full, we direct the vehicle owners or the LMVs to proceed. There will be no stopping zone throughout the way till Janjal Bridge. They will carry on and they will go and park their vehicle in Baljik Airport towards the western side. During these 2 days of festivities, no heavy goods vehicle or passenger vehicle will be allowed to use the highway. So whatever vehicles comes and goes will be using the old William Nagar road, that is from Asalang to Samanda, and vehicles coming from that side, if they intend to go to Tura, they will use that Samanda road. The only advisory is this, that please don't break any traffic rules. If you break the traffic rules, it becomes a burden to us because of your negligence, other vehicles will get stuck. So please don't allow us to take legal action. Be safe, drive safe, and go home. Thank you.